Alright guys, welcome. My name is Mike and this is IPO Market Watch. In this video, I urge you to watch the whole video throughout the end. If you want to change how you invest, if you want to make better investments, if you want to make money, if you want to see the results that I have in the entire year of 2023, proven results, guaranteed proven results, right? And become a better investor and start making money and change your life, watch this video. Watch this video, guys. Watch this video. All right, let me start with this. 99% of retail investors get screwed in the stock market. They get destroyed. Let me just say that in the nicest way possible, because most people chase after every single account, and they chase after people. They don't even know who the heck that person is behind that account, yet they blindly follow people and put their money in whatever people are posting.
Name of the game, move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket. Right.
They keep doing that all year long. 99% of day trading retail investors did not make money this year. They never will. Most of them won't even admit it, because if you have a gambling addiction, you're not going to admit it. I am going to show you how money is made without a lot of stress.
Yes!
Let me just start off with an example so you guys can understand. Here's some examples of stocks that I called out. Rocket Lab, we swing traded this many times. The green dots, for each green dot you see here in the date is when I had swing traded or day traded Rocket Lab successfully. The last time I bought it was on December 18 at $4.48, which I had told everyone before I would even buy it at $4.48. And right now it's at $5.63 already, so we're making money on that. How about what stock we have here? Semrush. Last time I talked about Semrush on my Discord was on October 16 when I told them we should buy it, or I should buy it. I should buy it at $7.97. It's now at $13.66. How about GLYC on July 25th of 2023 this year? Called it at $1.62, and I called it many times before that at $1.62. It's now today at $2.34. In my Discord, everyone knows ahead of time what price entry I want for a specific stock. Now, my secret, guys, is this book, The Intelligent Investor. And I mean that. That's my secret. Does the intelligent investor tell you that you should sell, that you should make that many picks and sell within a year? No, it doesn't. The intelligent investor actually teaches the opposite. Buy great companies, which we do. We buy great companies, but hold them for years, right? The thing is with the intelligent investor is what I learned from this book is how, and this is key, guys, this is key, that it taught me how to recognize when a great company, its stock is trading at a cheap valuation. That's the whole key. Retail investors don't know about cheap valuations. They don't know if a stock is trading at a cheap valuation. And I'm talking about cheap valuations on stocks of great companies, right? When you can figure those out and be able to identify that, okay, this is a great company and the stock is at a cheap valuation, you're gonna make money. I guarantee you're gonna make money. The vast majority of my stock picks were based on that, learning how to identify a stock when it's trading at a cheap valuation and taking a position in that, because then you know it's gonna go up at some point. The vast majority of my stock picks were swing trades, meaning I would buy them and hope to sell them within 10 months. The vast majority of my stock picks were sold within 10 months. But let me prove to you what I have done in my Discord. The total amount of stocks that I called out in my Discord were 368. And someone's gonna say, well, that's pretty insane. Now, if you're a really good investor, a serious investor, let's just say that. If you're a serious investor, you're gonna say, Mike, 368 picks, that's just too much, too many picks for 1 year. And you're right, but a lot of this stock picks, guys, were the same stock, and when we would go up we would sell, and I knew that it would go back down again, get back in, and so on. And when I say go back down, I don't mean it goes down 50 cents or $1, let's buy it again, right? I mean, Rocket Lab, for example, one time we bought it like 4 something or under 4, I forget what it was, and then we went all the way up to 7, sell, and then, you know, we'll get it back down. We ended up recently getting it at $4.48. Anyways, out of the 368 stock picks, the 305 have already been sold profitable. Meaning, out of those 368 stock picks, I said those 305, what price exit we're going to take it, and we're going to go and take it and get out. So that's a really big number of profitable picks. The 52 open that you see here are 52 stock picks that I still hold as an open position. And I have not told anyone in my Discord a price exit yet. Yet though, guys, out of those 52, half of them are already green. Keep that in mind. Half of those 52 picks are already green. We're already profitable on them. And 11 for a loss. Guys, out of those 368 stock picks that I made so far in the year of 2023, if we take just the 305 that you see, that's nearly an 85% positive completion of the stock picks being so profitable. And if we take half of the stocks in the open position that are profitable, and let's say I sold them instantly right now, well, guess what? I would end the year of 2023 having called out of the 368 stock picks, 90% and above, over 90% of them sold profitable. Those were my stock picks, and those were stock picks I made with entry prices before I would get in. Am I better than Warren Buffett? No. Am I the greatest investor out there? No. Everyone, all I ask is that if you want to listen to me, right? If you want to listen to me, you don't have to join my Discord. I'm not saying that you should join my Discord. You don't have to at all. In fact, you can just ignore that I even said that I have a Discord. Who cares? What I want from you guys is one thing. If you want to change your life, right? If you want to change your life, if you want to make investing easy, fun, enjoyable, and not fucking stressful. If you just want to make your life better, guys, seriously, just get this book. This is my advice, all right? I have no affiliation with this book. I'm not going to make any money by somebody buys this, but this is my advice. Learn what this book says and apply what you learn from this book in your own way. I applied it in my own way, but basically this book really taught me a lot of things. It opened up my eyes. In fact, here's another major tip. Stop listening to people who are predicting where the market goes. As soon as somebody predicts where the market goes, ignore them. Ignore them. Guaranteed ignore them. Never listen to anyone who predicts where the market goes. Throughout the entire year of 2023, guys, I did it my way. I didn't listen to what others said. I never did. Never. When people would say the market's going to go down, in 2024, it's going to be this. Next month is going to be this. Guys, the market's going to crash. Guys, the market's going to go up. If they were able to predict where the market goes, they'd be billionaires, guys. They'd be billionaires. I mean, seriously, stop listening to these people. Stop listening to anyone from the lowest level to the highest level who is predicting things. Do it your way. You know what this book says? In this book, you know what it states? That when they ask you, where is the market, where it's going to go? I don't know. I don't care. That should be your answer. I don't know. I don't care. And you're going to say, if you don't know and you don't care, how are you going to make money? Well, Warren Buffett did it that way. He doesn't know, he doesn't care. I'm not saying be completely ignorant of what's going on in the market, but predictions are just as stupid as it gets. You do it your way. You continue your strategy. Search for those cheap valuation stocks. Search for those great companies. You take your entry in those. You know what? When the stock market goes down a lot, and it starts falling and falling and falling, and everyone starts calling for recession and crash, 99% of people, they take an exit from the stock market, or they even take worse, they take losses on their stocks. But that's the worst, that's the stupidest thing you can do. Even when the market is crashing or is supposedly going to crash, which you can never tell, there's always opportunities. Warren Buffett always did that. I'm going to buy an opportunity. I don't care what's going on in the market. All right, so let me close it with a stock that I believe will do well in 2024. Don't blindly ever invest in what I say, but do your due diligence, right? So a stock that I believe will go higher in 2024. There's plenty of stocks. There's going to be a lot of stocks. So I'll just Safe Bulkers, I think, is going to continue to go up. I believe SEMrush is going to continue to go up. Who else? I like FIHL, to be honest, a recent one. I like this one. MRO, I think, is going to continue to go up, right? It's going to go higher in 2024. So yeah, those are just some of the things. Guys, do your own due diligence, but if you're going to do your own due diligence, do it right. Buy this book, read this book, stop listening to Wall Street, stop listening to random accounts online, and pick those great cheap valuation stocks. Screw trading, day trading. Forget about day trading. Forget about it, seriously. I mean, do it maybe 10 times in the whole year, maybe around there, 15 times the whole year. That's it. Don't take part active trying to be a day trader, trying to chase hustle, it's not going to work out. I guarantee you. You're not going to change your life. It's not. At the end of the year, you're still going to be pretty much where you started, maybe even worse, right? Thank you very much for watching this video. Have great Christmas, guys. I wish you guys great Christmas. If I don't know. If I don't do a video until next year, I don't know. Maybe I'll do a video before New Year's, or maybe even tomorrow. I don't know. But maybe, I don't know if I will or not. But in case I don't do a video until after the New Year's, in case, I wish you guys great Christmas and a Happy New Year, right? So thank you very much for watching this video, and take care.